Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, this is a bone conduction headphone. RunFree Lite. Not the Pro. There's some information there. Air conduction headsets. Stable and comfortable to wear. 16.2 millimeter dynamic driver. Earphone. Headphones. Lasts for 17 hours. 1.5 charge. Bluetooth 5.3. There we have introduction, user manual. You have a USB-C cable, and then earbuds themselves. There's a plus minus here. Power button, I guess. So port to charge here. USB-C. And that's it. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.